This is on Assault, Lone Wolf Assault 2. I was having so much problems with my legs getting sore because the seat was too high. Right in the back of the thighs, legs falling asleep. So for those of you who get short legs, I just shorten mine 2 inches. And cut this off. I just lowered this 2 inches. I lowered this 2 inches. And I never have to touch the button. I drilled a new hole for this bushing and pop them back in. So now, when I put my stand down, it ends up right on the bushing now. So no more noise. So now all I gotta do is dampening those 2 areas right there for the seat. I went on YouTube to try and find a video of how they shortened it. First I was going down here and cut, then that's gonna affect everything. And your button's not gonna end up in these holes anymore if you do that. So I suggest you cut the top off. And you only can get about 2 inches because then you're gonna be getting into this button and you cannot move all this shit. So 2 inches, there you go. Shortening the Lone Wolf Assault 2 for those of you with short legs.